Welcome to Nifty Trade Setup channel. So we'll discuss what we had planned and how it got executed today, and then what can we expect tomorrow. So we said this is a supply zone, and if there is a rejection here, we can go for short, and we can expect 100 points definite movement here. And if we can hold it further, we can expect till this point we were saying it. So market as expected, it gave first to a stroke 100 points and tried to reverse it, but got rejected again and gave a second target that we discussed yesterday. So market gave both the targets yesterday, but most of the people would have got it because budget day anything can happen. So mostly people would have booked here, right? So this is the first target was good enough to get good points. So market remained volatile, full day up and down, full movement was there, and as usual, as expected for the budget day. So, what can we expect tomorrow? Given the bullishness or the kind of reversal that have happened, so it is something like this. These are the zones that we can have it in our system. So, if there is a flat movement, flat opening, and breaks this trend line that have been coming from, if it breaks this, definitely we can expect a quick movement of 100 points till this supply zone. This is what I could see it. If there is a green candle closing above this trend line, we can expect a good movement of 100 points or even to the all-time high again. Market might test all-time high again if it breaks this trend line, if it is a flat opening and crossing it. In case of second scenario, if there is a gap up and green candle forming, then we can go for again long only. Again, we can expect all-time high again touching it, right? But this zone is kind of a supply zone. If there is a gap up and the market getting rejected, we can expect market coming and retesting down. I mean, if it breaks this, definitely we can expect market touching today's low again. So these are the scenarios that we have. So the all the scenarios are possible only based on the market where it opens, right? If it opens flat and breaks this trend line, we can expect market touching all-time high. If there is a gap of green candle forming, also we can expect market going up. In case of red gap up and red candle forming in this supply zone, we can expect, and if it comes inside this today's high, right? If it comes in this zone, a red candle forming and coming inside, definitely we can go for short. We can expect minimum of 100 points coming down for Nifty. This is about Nifty. And what can what we had planned for thing, right? So we said this was we had drawn this out. There is a supply zone. Market got exactly rejected here, and it gave immediately quickly some 300 points. And then if you're holding it, market gave a really good point. We were expecting till 51,000, but market did not come to that. 51,000 was what we are expecting it around this 51,000 200 is what I expected, but close to 350 it came. So that was how like we had planned it, and then now it got almost it gave good points only if you're holding it for quite some time for thing, right? So let's look at it. Like if you look at it, market try to be wants to be in this zone, and looks like it is forming a what do you call if you look at the day thing, it is trying to form a wedge actually. So and it is this is a zone sideways, it is trying to obey it and then trying to maintain it. And based on this, let's continue with this, right? Market has kind of closed negative only, with the kind of little closing in the middle, neither positive nor negative. It is kind of a middle, it has closed. So what we can expect is if there is a flat opening and then crossing this again as usual, as we discussed for Nifty, if it breaks this trend line by opening a flat, we can expect a long market might come today's opening candle, right? It might touch this opening candle. That is the first scenario if it is a flat opening. But in case if there is a gap up and kind of getting rejected in this zone and then comes and close this zone, this point, right? This first we got a resistance here, second resistance. If a red candle comes and closes below this one, go for short. We can expect market touching the low again. So this is the gap up scenario where it got rejected. If it is gap up green candle forming, we can expect market touching the all time high again. So this is about the gap up scenarios that we have. If there is a gap down, Definitely below this point, like 51 675, if it is a candle forming below this one, we can expect market going lower. We can, which we are talking about, 51 300 is what definitely we can expect it tomorrow itself. So if you, this is what for Bank Nifty. Let's discuss for Reliance what we can, what we have planned. So he said if it is closing today's low, breaking today's low, we can expect easily 20 30 points. Market gave and then remain volatile after that. So we got all the three successful Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Reliance. All the targets are given based on the discussion we did yesterday. Now these are the zones that we have it, like based on the conditions how it is opening. Now still market is not bullish. It is still in the uh, bearish condition only. So this is the zone where we can expect market, if it is a gap up and the green candle forming, probably we can expect touching top of it. So we can expect market coming and touching top of this zone. That is what I could see it. I don't see otherwise. If there is a gap up and getting rejected and coming inside, go for short again. Market definitely 20 points coming and are touching this again, the low that is from today, right? So this is what I could see it. So this we can have a trend line, which will help us to kind of, if it breaks in case of gap up scenario or a kind of a flat scenario, if it breaks this trend line, probably we can expect the market going down further. So I think it is not traveling that thing. So what I would say is, if there is a gap up, if it is a green candle forming above this one, we can expect 20 points movement up. If it is getting rejected, coming inside this thing again, go for short, easily 20 points, and then hold it till it reaches the bottom. Today's low, it may come and touch again. So it looks all similar scenarios, like Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Reliance. All are having the same kind of patterns that are formed, like because budget day it was very volatile up and down, and it is close in the middle, so it can take any direction. If it is breaking a higher upper side, it may expect 20 point movement, quick movement. If it is getting rejected, we can expect down, further down for 40 50 points. If it is gap down again, if it is red candle again, we can go for short again. We may expect market going down further. So if it is a gap down, this is one support we see it. But if it breaks, yeah, again we'll see the bottom again touching it, right? So this is what we have analysis for today, for based on today's market conditions. This is what we could plan for tomorrow. And so please leave your comments, like the video, and subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching this video.